Okay, so some of y'all wanted a cold start. I can't do a cold start because it's 56 degrees here in Colorado already, but it is the morning time. This is the first time it's run. Anyways, a couple things before we do anything with that. People were talking about the blowers. Here, hold on. People were talking about the blowers. So down underneath, there is 2 blowers in the valley of these, which is what they actually come with. These, sorry to disappoint, are not functional blowers. They are air filter boxes that my dad built so that we didn't get any crap down into the intake on it. That was his answer to having air filters. Okay, let's start her up. Oh, come on. There she goes. Cold enough. Anyways, yeah, I just want to thank all of you for all the positive comments and likes and shares and everything. My dad really loves this thing, and he's put a lot of time and effort into building it. And I think it turned out pretty bitchin'.